Hi, I'm Doc Martin from BritishStarters.com. Current company is called Classic Car Performance. Today I'm here to talk about a product called Priority Start, which is this nifty little device here. Behind me you can see a Nightfall Blue 2006 Lotus Elise. When I bought this car it was a leftover. I bought it in 2007 and when I picked it up from the dealership brand new it had a dead battery. The first time I ever used this was back in the day in another Lotus, in a Lotus Esprit, which did exactly the same thing as this Lotus Elise. It just would use up its battery charge within about 5 days. Priority Start is a very simple device designed to disconnect your battery from your car. This will save your battery's life and power. This way when you go out to the car, to go start the car, it will automatically sense an increased draw and reconnect the battery to the car to start the car. Let me show you how simple this device is. We've got three things. This is the Priority Start unit, which consists of the brain of the unit and the automatic switch, and it has a very large 12 gauge, maybe even larger than 12 gauge wire that will be your positive, that will go to your positive battery terminal. You have a spade connector on this device which will connect to a small little black wire which will go to the negative terminal on your battery, and you can put that right into the bolt that goes across the connector on the battery. Lastly, you have a rubber band designed to go around the battery and hold the device to the side of the battery. And this device doesn't care where it's mounted. You can front mount it, you can rear mount it, or you can put it on both sides. On this particular Lotus that we're going to put this on, this car goes to the track or is autocross, and we think we want to keep it away from the outboard fender and keep it closer to the engine bay, and we'll try to get some good pictures installing it for you. This device can literally be installed in less than 5 minutes. I want to show you how this device works. When I connect the negative terminal while this is outside the car, I can still make the device work. In about 3 seconds, the mechanism in here will sense that there's no draw on the battery and will disconnect the positive terminal from the battery. So here's how it works. There you have it. Okay, so what you'll see is the battery, the Priority Start, off to the back of the car here. You can see that I've connected a positive terminal from the car to the Priority Start. Over on the opposite side of the battery is the ground cable that came from the car on the ground terminal of the battery. Also, I put the small little ground wire from the Priority Start, the little spade connector, over to the ground terminal on the battery. I was able to just stick it in between the bolts and get it good and stuck there, and then after I was done tightening everything, I wiggled everything to make sure it was snug. Again, this is a track car, we don't want that to come undone. You can find the Priority Start on our website at classiccarperformance.com. It'll show up in a box just like this. I hope you have an easier time installing it than I did in this Lotus.